MoneyLion combines banking tools, credit building features, and cash advances in one app, while Dave app focuses mainly on small cash advances tied to your bank activity. That difference affects how much control you get, how fast you can access money, and how often you'll actually qualify. By the end, you'll know how each app handles cash access, what makes approval different, and which one fits better depending on whether you want a simple advance tool or a full financial app. Dave app works as a short-term cash advance tool. It connects to your bank account and analyzes your income patterns. Based on that, it can offer small advances if your activity looks stable. The main idea is quick access to money before your paycheck arrives, without a long application process. MoneyLion works like a full financial platform. It includes a checking-style account, credit building tools, and cash advance features. Instead of only focusing on short-term cash, it combines multiple financial services into one system. That means you're managing both everyday banking and borrowing inside the same app. Now break down approval style. Dave app focuses heavily on your bank deposits and income consistency. If your paycheck deposits are regular and predictable, you're more likely to qualify for advances. MoneyLion also looks at income activity, but it evaluates your overall financial behavior inside its ecosystem. That includes how you use the account and interact with its features over time. Now talk about how you actually get money. Dave app keeps the process simple. You check eligibility, request an advance, and receive funds if approved. It's designed for fast access with minimal steps. MoneyLion is more layered. You can access cash advances, but you also interact with other tools like account features and credit-related services, so the experience is broader and less focused on one function. Now the key difference. Dave app is built for fast, simple cash advances based on your bank activity. MoneyLion is built as an all-in-one financial app with cash advances as just one part of a larger system. So the decision depends on what you actually need. If you only want quick access to small amounts before payday, Dave app is more direct. If you want banking tools, credit features, and cash advances in one place, MoneyLion is the more complete option. Here's the simple breakdown. Dave app is narrow and focused on fast advances. MoneyLion is broad and designed for full financial management. Both use income data, but they serve different financial goals. Do this next. Think about whether you want a single-purpose advance app or a full financial platform. Then compare how often you'd actually use extra banking or credit features. If you want simple cash access, Dave app fits better. If you want an all-in-one money management system, MoneyLion is the stronger choice.